I spilled some there. So, but as you can see, I got a bunch of seed all over the ground here. I'm gonna come back, spread some dirt on top of it to kind of keep that moisture in. So, I'm gonna probably spread some more. I got another bag at home. All right, so this is the seeded area. This all right in here. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow and bring some dirt in. So if you can see, I already got the ground beneath this dirt that I put down, but I went ahead and mixed the seeds in with them, especially in this area where there's absolutely no grass growing. And you know, typically this is Tifway 419, this grass that they put down, but then it looks like there's some Bermuda, like common Bermuda. So I mean, it should mix in pretty well. I mean, it's not going to be perfect. If you keep it fertilized, they'll stay the same color. But the thing I like about common is that it's like durable. And so anyhow, all right. So I seeded this yard. I was going to try to, you know, that's when they don't have a sprinkler system, you have to use that to wet the lawn. It's bullshit. So I was going to try to turn it on and then like blow everything off while I was here, and then, but it didn't happen. So I'll just come by in the morning and blow and sweep everything off in the morning.
It came in so strong. It came in like beautiful, perfect.
Yeah.
Level. It wasn't a very big area, so it was really easy to take care of.
So we're about a week out from this seeding, and just really impressive growth. It's the shorter stuff, not the longer stuff. But I mean, it's just greening up everywhere. Yeah, looking real nice, man.